Hi, I'm Alex and welcome to the Bicycle Chain. We are family owned and run cycle superstores throughout Somerset. We have 25 years experience and 3 locations in Taunton, Bridgwater and Weston-Super-Mare. We aim to provide cyclists of all types with massive choice from the world's biggest and best brands. So whether it's your child's first bike, an electric bike, hybrid, road or mountain bike, we've got you covered with brands like Specialized, Trek, Giant, Frog Kids bikes and many more, all under one roof, ready to ride. Test ride is a massively important part of buying a bike. All our bikes are built ready to ride and all our stores have a safe area to test ride the bikes away from the main road and the traffic. One of our core values is never put profit before reputation. For us, this is all about finding exactly the right product to meet your needs, no matter how long it takes. Our amazing staff are on hand to share their knowledge with you, recommend a product and ensure that you get the maximum enjoyment from your cycling experience. All of our stores have convenient, free parking right outside the store. We're open 7 days a week. We offer interest-free credit, cycle scheme and a price match policy. When it comes to servicing, we have fully equipped workshops in every store, mechanics at the top of their game, some of which have been with us for more than 15 years. We service any make or model of bicycle. For any technical queries or to book your biking, give the team a call. So there you have it, the biggest brands in the world under one roof. Come and see us, hundreds of bikes on display, all ready to test ride. Our staff are on hand, ask us any question and we'll help you find the right product for you.